Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. We're out with the Dune Riders today and they're having fun in the desert. So right now we are actually getting ready to continue a journey here in the desert, and it's going to be a little bit fun with all the different people that showed up here today. You see all the flags and the nice cars and everything else. So let's go out and tune the engines and see what the horsepower can bring us, and hopefully you're going to get some very nice experiences. I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe to the channel, and then we'll come back with another video whenever we can. So stay tuned.
He just wanted me to stop to keep some space, but it's okay. I'm very nice here in a 45-degree angle.
Okay. Thank you. We have a nice doggy position. Stop here. Hands clear. Looks clear.
We stopped here an obstacle because we have the convoy up here. One's coming off here to the right, and it looks a little bit difficult to get through this, but let's see what happens. It's really beautiful. Look at the scenery there. We got a challenge, that's for sure. Yeah. we got another one here. He really sucks, man. Oh my god, he got into that one. Winching a car out of the hole. Over here.
So we ready to move, or still wait a couple more minutes? All right.
Time for a quick pit stop.
It is cold.
It is.
Thanks, Khalid. See you next week, inshallah. Thank you, Khalid.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, madam.
How are you?
Thank you so much, guys. It was
Ready
an
for it.
amazing drive today. I enjoyed it a lot.
See you guys.
Technically, okay.